Alright everybody, how y'all doing? I'm Mr. Get Rid of the Bugs Man. I'm the one that's going to show you how to get rid of them roaches. Everybody got them roaches up in their house, right? And the problem is they up there scattering everywhere else. You either live in New York, them cockroaches, them things is this big. You live in the inner city, they're under the roof, you try to bomb, the neighbors come over. The problem, the neighbors, they don't want to take care of their stuff. And at the same time, the problem is that y'all don't bomb together. So you got to do it by yourself. The neighbors got a lot of stuff, they got a lot of stuff. And trash go out and you live right in the middle of the city with row homes, and so you trying to get rid of them roaches. Well, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of these cockroaches. I got the formula that's always going to win. You're going to have to spend a couple dollars, but this is guaranteed 100%. Let me take you into it. Let's go, baby. Okay, as you can see here, I went and got me a couple little products. Some products that could most definitely be like what I would call initializer, something that you would just pre-spray or pre-put down compared to you putting down the stuff that I'm about to show you what to make. So if you have anything like some spray is good, but this right here, you want this Raid Max right here. You know what I mean? It kills German roaches, cockroaches, up to 12 months. That's a good thing right there, because down in Texas, we guarantee that we're going to catch them bugs. All right, now here we go. What we're going to do is you take this, and it comes with an automatic sprayer, and then you start hitting them corners up. Spray, spray, spray. That's what you got to do. Hit them corners up, because you're going to pre-do this the day before, or maybe 2 days before you start putting down this roach stuff, right? Okay? It won't hurt you if you do if you do put the stuff down while you're doing this, but this right here brings them out so that they can start searching for the food, because they're looking for the food. All right, now. So this is something else you want to get. This is Combat Max. This is the roach killing gel. It's very important. The stuff that's inside of this, you do not want your cats eating this. You don't want your dog chewing on this thing right here, or even get in the kid's mouth. So make sure you dispose of all your stuff. I'm trying to keep you healthy here. I'm trying to put you on the right path right here. Now what we're going to do is this. We got the pure baking soda, right? That pure baking soda is real right there. And this is what we're going to do, because I crushed up some eggs, you know what I mean, and I took out the yolk and I put them inside of here with a half a cup of sugar. It depends on how much your traffic is, and my traffic ain't as bad, but I see them coming around. When having a lot of stuff around, you gotta most definitely move stuff. You gotta spray stuff up, but I'm gonna show you this guaranteed 100% way that's going to use it. So I put this Combat Roach killing gel, I put it inside of here, and this is a combination. I told you of sugar and egg yolk, and roaches, they love coffee. They love them coffee stuff. So we're going to open this up and we're going to pour this in. I guarantee it's going to work. I've been using it. I've been catching them buggers. Every time I look at somewhere else, they're dead. I got to keep sweeping up. Everything keep popping out. So let us mix this combination right here. And we got our spoon right here, right? And we're going to mix it up. Mix it up till it's nice and fine, right? Mix it up till it's right. Now, on top of that, this ain't the only thing you're going to use. I got my baking soda over here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go right over here, excuse me, and I'm going to grab these right here. I mean, you can use them if you want. Really, the whole point is to coat it so it can blend together so that you can have enough, and you're going to start putting them in these corners over here. All right, I'm going to take this 1/8 of a cup. I'm going to go inside this bag right here, okay? All right, now, and let's go over here, man. Let's put it in. I use that right there, and then I'm gonna stir this thing up right here. Yeah. Can I get some theme music? Oh yeah. You see me riding like the cowboy on the rodeo show. Yeah, y'all like that song, that country song from the Little Nas, and y'all like Garth Brooks on that. That thing's #1 right now. I'm going for weeks, man. We love it. I love Chris Rock in that video too. Really nice. But I'm just giving y'all some conversation while we're up here taking this stuff right here to another level right here. The reason why we're going to spin this around and get it in, and yeah, I'm holding this camera right now, so I'm most definitely going to have to I'm gonna hit the pause and stir it up real quick. So give me a sec. Okay, so I just stirred it up. We're back. I just stirred it up a little bit more to hope y'all can see it and try to make sure that light right. Okay, I'm telling you, this is what I put inside of here. And it doesn't matter if you want to spray a little bit of this inside of your mix, because they're going to love it, because coffee brings the smell. They come out when they smell the coffee. Let me show you, for example. We're going to go over here. I'm going to show you what it did. I came in here and left it there because I cleaned up. You have to spray. Make sure you clean your area as much as possible. And look at that little bugger. Yup, you see him. He dead as a cockroach. He dead as a cockroach. That's right there. That boy right there. I don't want to even get close, but I'm going to take you. I'm going to take you there. Yeah, little nasty thing right there. Gone. Gone. Yeah. So we're going to clean him up, but I wanted to leave it here to let you see that, you know what I mean? Look, everything good. All the area, you gotta wipe it down and keep wiping. Buy them disinfectant wipes. Keep your house clutter free. Make sure you move a lot of books and anything else that could be in the way. And you're gonna take this stuff right here, right? I'm gonna show you what to do with it. That's what you're gonna do. I told you, caught them. You see that little bugger? Little nasty looking thing right there. His parents are probably looking for him, or unless he is the mama or the daddy, whatever one he is, but he's gone. Now I took the egg yolks out of the eggs to mix them in here. I didn't want to put these in here because these will make it smell a little nasty after a while, but the egg yolk on the inside, it make it real thick, and that's what they want. So as soon as they eat it, it rip through them and they take it back to their family, kill their children. You will not have roaches if you I ain't gonna say don't clean, you clean up. Make sure that you put it in there. Now I'm gonna show y'all a quick way that you can do it. If you catch something in the corner or something like that, okay, you got like little crevices right here. You want to be able to take a little bit of this right here, and I know that's like nasty, but you take a little bit, and we're gonna come back over here because I just want you to know I'm gonna smooth it out. It's not gonna look like how you like just leave it there so the kids can play with it. But roaches like to hide in cracks and stuff. So I'm gonna take this little cut right here, and I'm gonna smear it in. See, smear it in a little bit right there, right? So when they come around or anywhere you've been seeing them, you see that? They'll come and eat that. They'll take it back inside them little cracks right there, because this is one of them, you know, like, okay, look, this is right here. You see how it is? Even though it's, you know, I don't see them all the time, but you would think, but when I start seeing them, I hurry up and put the stuff down, and then after a while, I don't see them. You know what I mean? And then the neighbors, what they come to do, they be coming over here and they be like, oh, they be like, can we get some of that stuff right there? So I'm telling you, a cup of the baking soda, the inside wipes, and I would consider you using a fair amount, a half a dozen. Boil them up, take the inside out. Make sure you get some of this, and you mix this together. Now make this mix right here. Take them right out the game, really quick with some coffee. Don't forget about that coffee right there, because it's going to attract them. It's going to take them out the game, right? Okay, I hope that you liked it, and I hope that you're happy, because right now, this right here is the mix that is going to get rid of them cockroaches, and you're not going to have them no more. I guarantee you. All right, I'll see y'all back, and I'll show you the next video or two, another ways of how to catch these roaches, and another way of how to catch the mice is when they're all around. Got a little trick for them too. All right, Mr. Pest Control Man, Mr. Get Rid of Them Roaches Man, right here. Bug takeaway. All right, bro. Peace.